Welcome to the LOETB How-To series. My name is Bernie and I will demonstrate how to use the Immersive Reader. The Immersive Reader is a screen reading feature found in Office 365, and here we will use it to read a Word document. First of all, click on the View tab. Just below this, you should be able to locate the Immersive Reader button. Click on this and you will notice that the appearance of your screen changes. For the reader to begin reading, you need to click the play button located at the bottom of the screen.
Food labeling. Food labeling lets food businesses provide information to consumers about their products.
When you want the reading to stop, click the button again. The voice settings icon to the right of the play button will allow you to speed up or slow down the pace of reading. You can also use it to choose to hear a male or female voice. We hope you found this demonstration useful. Don't forget to check out the rest of our videos in the How-To series.